Hello and welcome to this video tutorial of Cosentino products, now available for download in the BIMobject cloud. In this video, we will talk about Cosentino Dekton tiles, now available for Revit and ARCHICAD. The BIM objects can be downloaded using our integrated apps or directly from our portal, like I'm doing. If we write Cosentino in the search bar, we will see all products from this producer. We can use the category filters on the left to narrow down our search until we'll find the product we're looking for. Cosentino products are presented in individual product pages which contain all the necessary information about the product. In the product page, we can see the product name, a description, prescription text, links to some technical and other kind of information from the manufacturer, and other information like classifications, regions, and properties. If we click on the download button, we will see all the available files for download of this product. We will start downloading the files for Revit. First, we need to download the Revit file together with the material textures. In the Revit file, you will find a presentation sheet which shows the available finishes of the product and some basic information about dimensions and thicknesses. Cosentino Dekton tiles are created as wall and floor system families and as building materials as well. In each tile, you will find the same information and links to the manufacturer as in the product page. We can also use the integrated BIMobject app for Revit to search and download Cosentino products. We just need to search and choose the files we want to download. Now we will download the files for ARCHICAD. In this case, you will have to download the macro library and the GSM files for the facade application, for the interior wall covering, and for the floor. First, we need to add the macro library to our project in File, Libraries and Objects, Library Manager. We click on Add and we select the macro library that we have downloaded. Now we're going to add the downloaded objects in the embedded library. We click on this icon and we select the downloaded GSM files. The objects for indoor solutions can be used with the Interior Wizard, an ARCHICAD add-on that we can download from Graphisoft website. First of all, we need to create a zone in order to use this add-on. With the arrow tool, we select the zone and then we go to Design, Design Extras, Interior Wizard, Create Room Accessory. In this menu, we first click on the floor accessory and select the Dekton tile we downloaded. We can change its thickness and finish. We do the same to place the Dekton tile for the wall accessory and select the other Dekton tile that we have downloaded. Wall tiles can be placed horizontally or vertically, and we can also change their finish and thickness. If we go to the 3D view, we can see how the tiles are displayed. For the facade application, we will use the Accessories add-on that can also be downloaded from Graphisoft website. We just need to select the wall to which the cladding should be attached. Then we need to go to Design, Design Extras, Accessories, Wall Accessories. We select the Dekton tile that we have downloaded. We can change some of its parameters in this menu, like the thickness, tile size, dimension of joints, and other parameters related to the substructure. When we click OK, we can see how the cladding has been added to our wall. We can also see how the cladding is displayed in the 3D view. The integrated BIMobject app for ARCHICAD is a faster way to search and download the objects. We just need to sign in, look for the manufacturer, and select the products that we're interested in. Enjoy using Cosentino products, and thanks for watching.